Qlik software integration. What other software does it integrate with? Qlik products integration examples. Its data source integration includes standard open database connectivity, or ODBC, and object linking and embedding database, or OLE, connections. Non-source database sources. SAP NetWeaver, which is a technology of the software company SAP SE. Web integration. Its web integration includes Qlik View integration capabilities with Microsoft SharePoint. It also has a capability of displaying Qlik View inside other websites. Qlik's third-party integration includes source control with project files and automation and scheduling. Ratings. Ratings of the Qlik Sense Cloud software. Personally, I did find the visualizations of the table, graphs, and charts very appealing, especially when presenting the information to a large group. However, for a first-time user, it is not very user-friendly and does take some time getting used to. The filter pane was the most difficult to navigate, as you had to switch through multiple screens to figure out what specifically you wanted displayed on the graph. Creating the map was also a difficult process as a first-time user not being familiar with the functionality of the Qlik software. Internet ratings of Qlik View. Simple, easy to use, lots of button-driven subviews. Speed gets slow when setting up dashboard with access. Limited virtual memory. In conclusion, products made by Qlik Tech International AB are dynamic, interactive, and efficient business intelligence tools. Qlik View in particular is utilized by many large companies for a wide range of tasks. Learning to use Qlik applications can be a valuable asset for those pursuing careers in information-related fields. References.